Yo. Dude, that went up a lot today. Thank you for 500 subscribers. It took me exactly 1 month to gain 1,000 subscribers. That's insane. Thank you so much for that. Alright, so the three of us right here, Khalil, Chris, and then myself. This is gonna be the dream team right here. We're gonna go all the way to 1 million subscribers. Welcome to my first ever shoe YouTube video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another shoe custom video. Today I'm going to be doing another Air Force One custom. I'm going to be customizing these Jordan 1s using some Angelus leather paint. Today I'm going to be cleaning and customizing these Nike Air Pretzels. 10,000 subscribers. There's my channel right there. Creator on the rise. We just hit 50,000 subscribers. We're less than 7,000 subscribers away from hitting 100,000. Alright, here it is. 100,000. What are you doing? Subscribe yet? Okay, it's set up. Yo, shake on it. Alright, this is like vlog inception right now. Yeah, really. 3 different cameras. Alright, that was pretty fun actually, not gonna lie.
Oh! Sorry, this is gonna be the Jordan and Khalil show from now on. That's how it goes.
Alright, go ahead.